Facebook was up. So let me explain to you that when it comes to relationships, you have to ask yourself, are you dating somebody that's inspiring you to decrease who you are originally at your core in order to be with them? Like a lot of people like to do things like where they diminish who they are in their essence and their soul and devalue themselves in order to associate with a person that they can use to claim the title of relationships. You know what I mean? Like they are willing to decrease their characteristics traits in order to increase the perception that they are not unwanted. You know what I mean? It's because these people tend to lack the knowledge or understanding about love. That love is in a relationship should be about enhancement of who you are and who you are capable of becoming by associating yourself with this person. You know, that's the essence of love. It's not about eliminating or deleting who you are inside of the essence of your characteristic traits. It's about increasing, enhancing, and improving your destiny